Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some vibrant, beautiful bedroom decor ideas. So get ready to infuse your bedroom with vibrant colors and personality in today's video. We will explore a plethora of lively and colorful bedroom decor ideas. Say goodbye to dull and uninspiring spaces as we guide you through a beautiful possibilities to transform your bedroom into a lively sanctuary. From bold accent walls in hues like teal, coral, mustard to playful pattern and textures, we will show you how to inject energy and character into every corner. Dive into the world of vibrant bedding sets, statement artwork, and eclectic accessories that will instantly uplift your mood and ignite your creativity. Whether you prefer bohemian chic, retro vibe, or modern elegance, we have inspiration to suit every taste and style. Join us on this colorful journey and prepare to unleash your inner interior design. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vibrant decor inspiration. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.